Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. G, and this is my reaction then for Legend of the Galactic Heroes, Held Second for Cosmos Sin Soul, episode 37. And so, last episode is where the plan that the Vezanian um, make go into its first steps, basically, with the arrival of the Schumacher and the other guy from the Lipstadt Rebellion League or something, and they want to kidnap either the Kaiser or the Anaros, Reinhardt, older sister, or maybe both. I mean, I leaning to both, but who knows? Anyway, so they want to kidnap either of them, or maybe also try to kidnap Reinhardt in the process, which I doubt it, and because Reinhardt see through their plan, and yeah. First of all, I mean, their plan is what they want to help Reinhardt to becoming the ruler of the universe by giving him the reason, I guess, to to rebel against the Kaiser, So yeah, that's the if the Lipstadt, the people from Lipstadt Rebellion, which still part of, which still wants the Golden Bomb dynasty to succeed, kidnap the Kaiser. Reinhardt can point at them and say, "Hey, you guys." Reinhardt can point at the Kaiser and say, "Hey, you helping the rebellion that destroying our nation or such." So yeah, that's will be the reason for Reinhardt to succeeding from the Golden Bomb dynasty, basically. That's what I get from their explanation. Although my problem with the explanation that Reinhardt and Hilda gave, and what Reinhardt used against the ambassador from Vezan, that okay, Reinhardt gonna go along with their plan as long as they give the Imperial a free pass through the Vezan, which where my problem lies. Give me the freaking star map, so I can see this the importance of the location of Vezan. I mean, I think in episode 1 or episode 2 they say that Vezan are located between the Imperial and the Empire and Free Planet Alliance. But it doesn't mean that either the Empire or Free Planet Alliance needs to go through them, through the Vezan territory to get to the other place, right? I mean, again, they're in space. Why would one planet or a combination of planet in space, fast space, be important to have a strategic free passage, And if I'm not wrong, if I'm not mistaken, like Rubinsky said that Vezan is still technically kind of part of the empire. So I'm already under assumption that the empire, if somehow they need to pay to go through the Vezan territory, they get a discount or they get a free passage because they already have a free passage because Vezan is offspring of the empire, basically. So yeah, that part of negotiation doesn't really connect with me. I mean, if you guys know, please explain it to me. Why Vezan corridor is such an important strategic place for the Imperial to get the free pass, to go through them. So yeah, The Fesan is really yeah, they motivated by economic reason, and um, Reinhardt is the motivated by wants to do good by the people, I guess. And Young Wenli from the Free Planet Alliance just want to the war to be over and become a historian. Anyway, episode 37. I guess this is gonna still continuing from the last episode because uh, last episode is really felt like a pretty big setup, to where the story is gonna go from about this anime. So yeah, let's do it. 3, 2, and 1, play. Hey, so yeah, another uh, technical difficulty, which means I need to sort out my hardware to see why the hell so many uh, technical difficulty happens to me this time, So yeah, anyway, let's just jump to the reaction on episode 37 of Legend of the Galactic Heroes. Sorry about that. 3, 2, and 1, play. Well, we got the opening at least right now. So, yeah. No use on sushi. All right. Mass pretty big. Why? You guys want to cut the budget? Ah, you're trying to. Are you sure about that? Hmm. Ah, this is the romanticism that they Longengram and talk about. You think so? You want to succeed or what? All right, all right. I missed out the first part of his explanation. Oh, so they just want to kidnap the Kaiser. I mean, true. So you just gonna ignore them. I mean, he tried to protect you, man. When the assassin came, that's why people not really liking absolute leader, my man. Oh, is that? Oh, yeah, the dog that he picked up. You live alone? I mean, what the fuck? Is that much? What you gonna write on the book, for that expense? Man, take a more careful or your office. Don't spit on it. Man, don't you? Um, I mean, I think Kessler already kind of felt something. It's gonna be weird if he didn't. Unless, of course, I overestimate him. So yeah, they just only want to capture the Kaiser. I'll say my reasoning why they need to capture Anaros too later. Didn't you guys using a freaking glove or something? What a brat! Just um, put him to sleep. Good. Good. Why the servant or the servant is old people? They say their excuse first before. So he really didn't. Finally, finally, smart guy, smart guy. Why? So you just want to a petty revenge? In a way, man, you play into pheasants. I mean, it's a symbol. That's true. Which gonna be the reason for Vezan. Oh, so you wanna cover it up. Unless your leader, your leader. All right, that came out of nowhere. Minor. It's the Kaiser. It's the Kaiser. What do you mean by minor? Yeah, he doesn't really have a power, but still, a symbol. Okay, then that's my reaction for episode 37 of Legend of the Galactic Heroes. Okay, first I'm gonna tell why I thought that Anaros is also gonna be abducted, because I don't think I explained it well in the last episode. Yeah, I'm kind of after work, last episode, and recording my reaction. So yeah, if the Fazan wants to, but I now I think about it, that my reasoning will only work if Lohengram should not caught the pheasants in and not realizing the pheasants plans. If Reinhardt know about the plan and confronting them face to face, and then the reason to abduct Anaros is gone. Yeah, because it's if what you want to riling up Lohengram, the most important, the effective way to do it is to kidnap his sister. But Reinhardt already knew about the plan, so the act to boosting up the defense of the house that Anaros staying at now is just like the precaution. But yeah, so yeah. Yeah, now I think about it. My reasoning about why Anaros should be a kidnap also is now gone. So yeah, well, shit. At least now they got the Kaiser, and which I think I don't think that the Kaiser's gonna kill the kid. Erwin Joseph, his name. But maybe that kid is gonna play much important role in the future. to especially after Lohengram's gonna be the Kaiser. I wonder what kind of achievement he needs to achieve in order for him to say he to give the title of Kaiser to himself, you know. I mean, I get this at this point it's not really the right way, the right time to announce yourself as a Kaiser, because it's gonna be too obvious that you already knew about the plan, or you at least have a hand in the plan, and so yeah. I don't know what are the next plan, next step of the plan for the two remnants of the Lipstadt rebellion, you know. What are they gonna do, or Fezzan for that matter? What are they gonna do to provoke Reinhard to becoming to be the Kaiser, you know, to announce himself as the Kaiser. Maybe Reinhard's gonna wait up until he conquer the Free Planet Alliance, but that also not really the if tomorrow Reinhardt will conquer the Free Planet Alliance, it's still not it's not gonna be the enough reason, I think, for him to announce himself as a Kaiser, you know, because he's still technically working under the Kaiser. He needs some kind of reason for him to defy the dynasty, the Golden Bomb dynasty, you know. Which I like I said, I mean, he might have to accuse the Kaiser for going along with the plan that the Lipstadt remnants have, and say that, hey, you support the rebellion, the Lipstadt rebellion, I must dispose you now. So, but now he gonna appoint a new Kaiser or Kaiserin, an 8 months old baby. Wow, really a good terms of events, you know, of the political side of this anime, you know. Anyway, Oberstein also wants Reinhardt to become more ruthless in his endeavor as the prime minister, which is expected, you know, from Oberstein to say those kind of things. And yeah, no, that's it. I mean, good for the two Schumacher and the Count, whatever his name is, for being able to carry on the plan of kidnapping the Kaiser. Yeah, I'm curious to see what are their next plan, because if they want to rally some troops under the name of the Kaiser, they must know that they gonna invoke another war, you know. I don't think that Schumacher and that Count to act that stupid, unless they want to wait up until that kid maybe age 15 and they gonna came out of their hiding place, so they must want to hide for now. So yeah, that's it for my reaction for Legend of the Galactic Heroes episode 37. Pretty predictable, I guess, episode, but not also. I only predict 50% of it, and the 50% of it becoming a very big thing that eclipse my prediction, I guess. So yeah, that's it then for my reaction. Like my video, my reaction, comment below what you think, and if it's worth your time, of course, subscribe if you want. This is Mr. G, and be special.